how to save your design on Canva to Dropbox directly on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to your design. For example, choose one from here or create new one and go to the design. Now go to the top corner, click on share, and here go down, click on more right here. Now scroll down until you find the Dropbox option here. Click on it and everything will be done. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.